Help me unpack inside of our Disney World resort. We just got to Disney's All-Star Sports Resort and our room is finally ready. We did have our stuff at Luggage Services, so if you get here and your rooms aren't ready yet, you can store things in Luggage Services. And we actually went to the water parks for a little bit. We got groceries delivered. They held everything in Luggage Services. So we went back and we got our items and we put them on a luggage cart. But I wanted to just unpack my bag with you so you can see how I pack it. I know I showed you how I packed it, but let's just unpack everything here. We have my toiletries bag that has all of my makeup and toiletry essentials. We also have my Minnie Mouse Loungefly backpack I'll be using for the trip that also acts as a packing cube. So I have all of my outfits packed inside here. And then this is the jacket that I wore on the plane today since it does get a little bit chilly even though it's the summertime. I like having a layer to put on inside of the plane. And it's just this light athletic jacket that I don't know if you can see, but they have a coat hanger here in the room. And then I also have my shoes that I ended up wearing on the plane today since I had to repack my bag and put it in Luggage Services. These are the Kuru Atom 2s that I can unpack and just leave in the room so I can wear them now. Then we also have my glasses since I put my contacts on. We are gonna keep those aside. A couple of other outfits that didn't fit into the packing cube. We have the boxer shorts and the Rapunzel shirt that I'm gonna be wearing, and I will show you how I hang everything up in the closet area so that way I avoid wrinkles. But let's get to unpacking the most interesting thing. This is the packing cube method that I use almost every time I come to Disney World since I pack with a travel backpack. We have one shirt, Mickey for Halloween. We have boxer shorts for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. We have other shorts for our Hollywood Studios day. We have a Buzz Lightyear shirt that is going to be worn with the purple boxer shorts. We have another tank top, my favorite tank top to wear to the theme parks from Kalia. We also have a skirt I am so excited about. This was from Walmart. It is a Mickey Mouse skirt that also has shorts underneath it. A really cute orange wrap dress that is spandexy material, but wraps in the front. Very excited to wear this, especially since it's kind of Halloween season now. And that is all that we have inside of the packing cube. So that is all the outfits that I am wearing. This was the shirt I wore for traveling, and then I just had this skirt inside of the bag. I do have a couple of socks that are ankle socks that I will wear with the Kuru Atom 2s, just a hairbrush. The pins that I'm going to be trading during our vacation in this Loungefly bag charm. We also have a cutie cuff and some toothpaste that got out of the main portion of our bag. I can't forget the ears that I wanted to show you and will be wearing for the trip. We have the cow ears I made personally that we're gonna wear for the Woody outfit. And we also have the Buzz Lightyear ears that I forgot to show in my packing videos. And then we have some Halloween Minnie Mouse ears. That is the main portion of the bag. You can see everything is out of here. It is a nice size bag and I love using travel backpacks. And inside here, usually I'll leave all of this inside, but there are some things that are nice to take out, like the eye masks or the eye patches that we use. We do have some gum that we'll be putting in our park bag. Liquid IVs are always a must. And then I do have the anti-chafe stick that I don't want to forget whenever I'm wearing the Croc wedges, some face products like makeup and SPF essentials. And then another thing in the top here that I have are my contact essentials. We have been really into solitaire and the weather's going to be not very great during our trip. So we brought 2 decks of playing cards and we also have some sunscreen and then also hair ties. So that is pretty much what we have in the top. I did forget to show you the Woody bag that I've been using as the fanny pack for my travel bag. It is from Orbit Key. And then I do also have some deodorant that I love. It smells so good all day, especially whenever it's hot. We have hand sanitizer and can't go wrong with some gummies and some travel snacks. So that's everything that we have inside of our travel backpack. That's how I like to pack and unpack it and get ready and settled into our home away from home. Now that I have unpacked all my outfits to make sure all of the wrinkles come out, I hang them in the closet section here. So this is one of the t-shirts I'm wearing. It is Rapunzel themed. Just use the hanger. Then we have some of the boxer shorts that I'm also gonna wear with the Rapunzel shirt and the Buzz Lightyear shirt that I have. This is the wrap dress that I'm very excited about for Halloween. This one is a little bit wrinkled, but with having it hung, I think it'll be a lot better. We also have the Mickey skirt. I think this is so cute. It's gonna be perfect for a Hollywood Studios day or a Disney's Magic Kingdom day. My favorite theme park tank top. Other shorts I'm wearing with my Woody outfit. The Buzz Lightyear shirt that I'm gonna wear with the boxer shorts. The Mickey Mouse crop tee we're gonna wear to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. And last but not least, the boxer shorts that we are also gonna wear with the outfit for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Here are all of the outfits hung up. So it's very nice to avoid wrinkles, let the clothing hang down so that the wrinkles can come out, but it's also very helpful to be able to see each outfit every day. So it is laid out and ready to go to the parks. So this is how you can unpack in your room.